In this video, we will introduce the FX7 unit's two-rider intercom. Intercom pairing. When Unit A and Unit B are in standby, press and hold each unit's function button for 3 seconds. The LED lights will flash red and blue alternately. Then, press the intercom button on Unit A and Unit B once each. The units will announce the voice prompt, two-rider intercom pairing. At this time, wait for Unit A and Unit B to pair. Unit A and Unit B pairing successful. End intercom. Press the intercom button on Unit A and Unit B once. The units will announce the voice prompt, Intercom OFF, and the intercom will be disconnected. That's the complete tutorial of the FX7 two-rider intercom function. Thank you for watching.